Hello everyone, welcome back once again to the Tech Hub Guide channel. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to set up link layer VPN to improve your privacy and enjoy a more stable connection while browsing online. This app also adds an extra layer of security to your internet activity. Before we get started, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now, let's get started. First, open any web browser on your device like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. In the search bar, type sshudp.online and open the official website from the search results. Make sure you are accessing a trusted source before downloading any application. Once the website opens, tap on the menu icon, 3 lines, then select Hindi, and after that, tap on Free VPN. Now scroll through the list and locate Link Layer VPN, then tap on it to open the download page. Tap on Install to download the app, and once installed, tap on Open to launch it. After opening the app, you need to configure a few settings. First, tap on the settings icon and select the protocol option. From the available protocols, choose UDP since that's what we are using in today's video. After selecting UDP, tap on Configure Protocol. In the port range section, you can enter a range like 1 to 65,535 or use a custom value such as 8,000. Next, set both sender and receiver values to 100, then tap on Save Config to apply the settings. Now, go back to the home screen. After that, select a server from the list or leave it on auto-select so the app can choose the best server for your location. If your connection time runs out, you can extend it using the Add Time option if available. Finally, tap on the Start button to begin the connection. As you can see, it connects successfully. That's how you can set up Link Layer VPN to improve your browsing experience. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. See you in the next video.